Meaning of Henry I.
Henry I.
Henry I.
Henry I.
Henry I. Henry I typically refers to King Henry I of England, who ruled from 1100 to 1135. He was the fourth son of William the Conqueror and became king after the death of his brother, William II. During his reign, he strengthened the power of the monarchy and reformed the legal system. He also promoted peace and prosperity, leading to a period of stability and economic growth. However, his reign was not without challenges, including conflicts with his barons and disputes over the succession. Overall, Henry I was an important figure in English history who left a lasting impact on the country.